Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. If your PS5 Slim is randomly shutting down or the power is not working, you might have a power supply issue. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to change the power supply and fix these problems. Before we begin, here are the tools you'll need. T8, torch security, and Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic pry tools, and tweezers. I've included links to all the tools in the video description below. For successful maintenance of your game console, I recommend using a magnetic mat to organize screws as you go. The PS5 Slim has screws of various sizes, so it's crucial to track each one, and you don't have to worry about the screws getting lost. They will all securely adhere to the magnetic mat. Now, let's get started. Place the console on its side with the PS logo facing up. The top covers are held in place by clips. Lift the front edge to release them. You should hear distinct clicks, which indicate you've done it correctly. Remove the two screws with your T8 Torx screwdriver. Turn the game console over to remove the remaining two covers. Use the cutout on the bottom corner of the disk drive to lift its right edge and disconnect it. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw securing the expansion slot cover. Remove the screw securing the M2 SSD, then take off the SSD and spacer. Remove the plastic cover hiding the fan cable connector. Remove the 4 screws securing the fan with your T8 Torx security screwdriver. Disconnect the fan cable from its socket and remove the fan. A warranty sticker hides one screw. Use tweezers to peel up the sticker. Remove the 9 screws with your T8 Torx screwdriver. The PS5 hardware warranty is 1 year from the original purchase date. If your gaming console is over a year old, you can safely remove this sticker. Remove the plastic cover. Disconnect the antenna cables and separate them from the housing. Remove the 4 screws securing the metal cover. Use the point of a spudger to push the metal latch down and away from the connector to unlock it. Keep the latch in its unlocked position and carefully pull the cable straight out of its socket. The power supply is connected to the bottom of the main board by metal prongs that plug into the bottom left corner. To safely remove the main board, use a plastic spudger to pry it up from underneath. Now, remove the power supply from the housing. If you're replacing the power supply, use this part number to find a compatible one. I've also included a link to a replacement power supply for the PS5 Slim in the video description below. The PlayStation 5 Slim cooling system blows air through the power supply. causing dust to accumulate at the vent. This leads to overheating power supply components and unexpected shutdowns. In severe cases, it may cause permanent damage to the power supply. To prevent these issues, clean the ventilation holes of the power supply. This will help ensure stable operation and extend the lifespan of your console's components. If cleaning doesn't fix the power supply issue, it's time to replace it. Let's begin reassembling the PS5 Slim. Install the power supply into the game console housing. When installing the mainboard, pay close attention to the metal prongs that should be connected to the power supply socket. Insert the cable into its socket. Reattach the antenna cables in their original positions and reconnect them to the mainboard. Put back the metal cover and fasten the screws. Install the plastic cover over the mainboard and secure it with screws. Flip your PlayStation over and fasten 2 more screws. Now, install the fan and connect the fan cable to its socket. Secure the fan with 4 screws. put back the spacer, then install M2 SSD and tighten the screw. To install the disk drive, hook the left edge into its cutouts, then press the drive into place so that the connector in the bottom right corner fits securely into its socket. Finally, to install the covers, align the hooks into their cutouts along the edge of the case, then pull the opposite edge of the cover until the grooves snap into place. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 covers. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you spilled sugary water on your PS5 controller and the buttons are sticking, check out my tutorial on how to clean and restore it. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.